A cryptocurrency will begin to pay interest of 15% annually. The change comes following the approval of a governance proposal in the DAO of this protocol. As a consequence of the arrival of the bull market and the high volatility in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency ecosystem, MakerDAO, the foundation behind the DAI stablecoin, announced a series of changes that include, among other things, an increase in interest rates. After approving a governance proposal in the Decentralized Autonomous Organization (DAO) of that protocol, it was established that, as of March 10, 2024, the savings rates of DAI, which pays interest for depositing the DAI stablecoin in a contract smart, will increase from 5% to 15%, that is, they triple. The proposal was approved on March 8 and is now available for execution on March 10, 2024 at 1955 Coordinated Universal Time, as reflected on the MakerDAO website. It also shows that 27 supporters of the protocol participated in the vote. The vote also established the increase in stability fees for various collateralized assets, such as Ether/ETH, the Ethereum cryptocurrency, and wrapped Bitcoin (WBTC). Fees will range between 15% and 17.25% for these assets, depending on the decision. MakerDAO's Governance Security Module (GSM) backlog also saw changes following the executive vote. About 32 hours were reduced, going from 48 hours to 16. This, for faster implementation of future adjustments. MakerDAO's GSM delay has relevance to the protocol because it allows token holders to review changes or mitigate technical errors in the system. Also, address extreme cases such as market panic or an economic attack. MakerDAO argued that, due to current market conditions, the changes respond to a predefined accelerated governance process. They also indicated that the fundamentals supporting DAI remain strong. This accelerated governance proposal was developed to avoid potential short-term liquidity crises, says the organization, explaining that the liquid reserves of the DAI stablecoin, as well as reserves deployed in annual percentage rates (APR), are more than enough to withstand the pressure of the bull market. However, they admit, the problem lies in the liquidity crisis inherent to exposure to stablecoins deployed through APRs. In fact, they acknowledge that there are dual pressures influencing the DAI landscape. These are the contraction in demand for DAI along with an increase in sales by lenders. A temporary solution, MakerDAO offered figures showing that the total supply of DAI fell 12% last week, after going from 5,000 million to 4,380 million. This is in response to volatile cryptocurrency market conditions and the considerable price increase of several digital assets. For this reason, they explain, many issue and sell DAI for other assets. Furthermore, although they do not mention it, it should be noted that other stablecoins are standing out in the market. USDT and USDC are becoming more and more relevant, while other alternatives such as TUSD or FDUSD are emerging, which have been promoted by the Binance exchange. MakerDAO noted that the changes, among which the increase in interest stands out, are a temporary solution for the unusual case of a shock demand increase. Therefore, they estimate that once market dynamics stabilize, all processes and parameter configuration will return to the regular cadence. Current market conditions make it necessary for MakerDAO to take some medium-term mitigation measures to maintain these historically high protocol rates. MakerDAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Indeed, the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market is experiencing a notable rise. BTC, the ecosystem's leading digital asset, has already surpassed $70,000 and is headed for higher prices. At the closing of this report, one Bitcoin is trading for $69,750 United States dollars. All this is happening before the arrival of the Bitcoin halving, the important mechanism that divides the reward for mining in half and which will be executed at the end of April. The upward trend of BTC has shaken the market, with alternative cryptocurrencies altcoins following the pattern of Bitcoin and raising their quotes. An example is ETH, which touched $4,000 for each coin this weekend.